Put baking powder on your bathroom floor, and you'll be surprised by the results. A friend who has worked in cleaning for years taught me this technique, and now I only do it this way. This will eliminate all grease, mold, mildew, and any odors present in your bathroom. Let's start by placing 2 tablespoons of baking powder in a container. I never imagined I could create such an effective mixture with these ingredients. At the end of the video, I will show you how efficient this is. Now, let's add 400 milliliters of hot water. The baking powder is capable of removing dirt from the grout on your floor while providing shine and cleanliness. You will love this tip. Next, I will add 2 caps of concentrated fabric softener. Your bathroom will smell wonderful with this combination. Now, I will add 3 tablespoons of white vinegar. This ingredient helps eliminate odors like mold, urine, and drains, and it also degreases the floor, leaving it shinier. Now, let's add detergent. We will add 3 tablespoons. You can choose any detergent you prefer. It can be any one you have at home. To finish, let's add a liter of water to make our mixture go a long way. Mix well so that all the ingredients dissolve completely. It's a quick, simple, practical, and extremely useful tip. I imagine you already have all these items at home. Now just grab a funnel and transfer all the liquid into a bottle. You can use any bottle for this mixture. I'm using a vinegar bottle, which is ideal because it already has holes in the lid. If you don't have one, you can make a small hole in the bottle cap to facilitate application. This product is very effective and removes all kinds of dirt and stains easily. Here's an extra tip. You can use this same mixture to clean stained dish towels. Just soak them for 20 minutes, and all the dirt will come out easily. Look at how messy the bathroom is. These grease stains become embedded and don't come out no matter what. Even scrubbing hard, the stains persist. See how easily the dirt is eliminated after applying the product. With no effort, there's no need to scrub hard. The dirt is completely removed. Notice how clean and fresh the floor looks. There's nothing better than having a clean and fragrant bathroom, right? And this mixture will definitely help you. Did you like today's tip? On our page, we always share useful tips that are a great help in your daily life. So, that was today's tip. I hope you enjoyed it. A big hug, and see you in the next video.